Uh, you all know what has happened on Saturday night. The recruitment by the TTADC government, the examination was to be held on Sunday yesterday. But one night before, the paper got leaked for the post of the subzonal and deputy principal officer under the TTADC government. So we realized that it was a genuine paper leak, and as soon as we got the information, we put a press release, and we have got in touch with all the applicants who are ready to appear for the exam. So we are very much aware, and today we have come to meet the governor of the state. So we have appealed for the CBI inquiry to make a proper investigation, and we appeal to find the culprit who is involved in this paper leak and punish. So for this reason, we demand for the CBI inquiry.